No.
What radio do you have?
DX9.
I just have one with the DX9.
Because it's a good radio? It's a good radio. I need the 9 channels.
Take off flash.
What's wrong about the DX8 though?
Nothing. DX8's fine. I gotta get this flight in quick because otherwise I won't be able to see. So I'll do my plane and then I'll for sure fly with you, okay?
But my hair is even darker than yours.
Yeah, but you can fly it slower and closer. You can fly it slower and closer. Okay, downwind pass. I do. I'm always the last one. It's fine. You won't. Is that your mom that came over here or someone else?
2 minutes.
Oh, that's Nick.
Time remaining 44 seconds.
Okay, Jack, I'm landing.
Gear down.
And you better help me plug this thing in.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds.
Only the 4th flight. I've only had 4 flights today.
I can't hardly see the plane.
Whoa,
whoa.
You did it. You put too much
I can't
power
see it.
on
I couldn't see it.
You put too much power and let it down.
Yeah. I don't know if you're going to be able to... Oh, hey, Nick, how are you?
Why don't you think I can fly?
Whew. Let's see.
I don't want to stick the light on my
Let me get it unplugged. Put it away. And then you can plug yours in and fly.
Not like I hope.
Can you see okay?
Yeah.
You can see? Okay.
That last one even blew my sunglasses on anyway. Now it's waiting.
All right.
I feel like my alarm here.
Okay.
The doors go up with the gears. So as soon as the gears up, the doors are closed.
Yep. All right, so let me put this aside.